When it comes to achieving a flawless finish on your woodworking and DIY projects, a top-notch palm sander is your best friend. These versatile tools offer precision and power in the palm of your hand, making your sanding tasks a breeze. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best palm sanders you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The WEN 6301, number 5 on the list of the best palm sanders, is a testament to the marriage of precision and power. This palm sander comes alive with a 3.75 by 5.5 inch pad. Its tip delicately angled for intricate work that makes your heart sing. Its 1-amp motor roars to life, delivering an exhilarating 13,500 orbits per minute, effortlessly smoothing away your worries. But it's not just about the power. It's also the delicate touch, as the WEN 6301 weighs merely 2 pounds. A feather-light companion for your crafting journey, it dances in your hand like a partner in a waltz. Every artist knows that cleanliness is essential, and the dust collection port in this palm sander is like a trusted friend, sweeping away the debris and leaving your workspace as pure as your passion. Changing sandpaper is a breeze with the Velcro base pad, a simple move that's as satisfying as turning a page in a favorite novel. And the best part? The WEN 6301 only costs $17, making it an affordable symphony of artistry, power, and precision that every creator's heart desires. Meet the Populo 3.0A Orbital Sander, the number 4 best palm sander in the market, a powerhouse of craftsmanship at your fingertips. This sleek, powerful tool redefines sanding with its impressive 350 watts motor, delivering an astounding 13,000 orbits per minute. It's not just a sander, it's a symphony of precision. What sets the Populo 3.0A apart is its versatility. With 6 variable speeds ranging from 6,000 to 13,000 OPM, it adapts to your every need. It caresses wood, iron, plastic, and more, leaving behind a touch of perfection. The sander's random orbit dance ensures every stroke is a masterpiece. Say goodbye to unsightly marks. This beauty gives you the smoothest finish. But there's more. Its dust-free sanding feature is a game changer. The dust box, equipped with a filter and an 8-hole polishing pad, effortlessly sweeps away debris, keeping your workspace spotless. What's the price for all this? Just $33. Elevate your woodworking game with the Ryobi 18 V1 Plus Palm Sander, crowned the number 3 best palm sander. This isn't just a tool, it's a symphony of craftsmanship and innovation, designed to stir emotions and bring your timber projects to life. The compact design of this palm sander transforms tight corners and intricate angles into canvases of smooth perfection. Your timber furniture, windowsills, and benchtops will bear witness to its magic. The soft rubber grip caresses your hand, reducing vibration and granting you total control, letting you sculpt your wooden masterpieces with unparalleled precision. But there's more. A lock-on switch ensures uninterrupted sanding, sparing your fingers the fatigue of trigger holding. The detachable dust port, accepting 31.75 and 47.6 millimeters of vac hoses, works diligently with your workshop vacuum, whisking away dust like a trusted companion, leaving your creative haven spotless. For a mere $89, the Ryobi 18 V1 Plus Palm Sander invites you to join a journey of craftsmanship, a voyage where each pass brings you closer to the silky smooth finish your heart desires. Introducing the Tolsen Electric Detail Sander, a powerful tool that brings craftsmanship and precision to life. This CE-approved sander is a symphony of innovation and functionality, designed to elevate your DIY projects. Its voltage range of 230 to 240 V and 50 Hz frequency deliver consistent power, while the impressive orbital frequency of 12,000 per minute ensures a smooth finish. The Tolsen sander comes with a generous 140 by 140 by 90 mm pad size and essential accessories, including 3-piece sanding papers and a handy dust box, simplifying your work and keeping your workspace tidy. The color box packaging adds a touch of elegance to your toolkit, making it a thoughtful gift for the creative soul in your life. But what truly sets the Tolsen sander apart is the price, just $50. This unbeatable value makes it the #2 best air compressor on the market without compromising on quality or performance. Feel the excitement of every project powered by Tolsen. Unleash your inner artisan and let your creativity shine with this amazing tool. Experience unmatched precision and comfort with the Dewalt Palm Sander, the unrivaled choice for sanding enthusiasts. Its rubber over mold texture offers a tactile embrace, ensuring an ergonomic grip for seamless sanding. The improved paper clamp guarantees your sandpaper stays in place, preventing frustrating slips. But what truly sets this sander apart is the locking dust port system that seamlessly connects to your vacuum hose. Say goodbye to messy cleanups as you sand with precision and cleanliness. The reduced overall height gets you closer to your work, enhancing your control. The Dewalt Palm Sander doesn't just provide power, it offers finesse with a foam pad for an even sanding plane and a separate counterweight to minimize vibration. At 120 volts, it's a sanding sensation that's worth every penny. Priced at just $63, this sander's 2.3 amp motor gracefully glides at 14,000 OPM, effortlessly turning rough surfaces into smooth canvases. Thank you for tuning in to today's Tech-tastic journey. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. In the fast-evolving world of technology, staying up to date is essential, and we've got you covered. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or just getting started, our channel is your go-to source for the latest reviews, tutorials, and insightful insights. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our tech-savvy community.